We got another sign, but nothing about the main line. But I know I'm going in the right direction. I don't know if the mic will pick it up. You can hear that? That's the highway. It means this way, the way that you're looking, is where the highway is. So now, it could dump me right on the highway, but I haven't crossed the main line yet. So I mean, just logic tells me there's going to be a main line. So that I have yet to get to. Then I'll just go down the main line and find the sign that, look for the sign that says parking lot, and then from there, done and done. Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Yes, I know technically I'm on a YouTube break, but just thought I'd get out and do a little hiking today. I have actually really good, well, one big reason I need to do that. It's centered right here mostly, but back here and up. Yeah, so could use some steps. Thought I'd film it. You know, why not? So saw a trail called the Black Lagoon. I mean, how do you not take a trail called that? So hopefully it'll be a good day to film. It's actually kind of a popular trail. I already saw a guy with a dog, which I support. Hopefully, you know, get out and a guy on a mountain bike. But there's like a lot of little side trails here. I've actually been in this section before, and I'll try to roll the video. I'll try to put the links below, but there's a bunch of trail action behind the camera, behind the view, and then on the other side of the street there's a whole different trail section over there. So plenty to choose from, but I don't really have a destination in mind. I don't have a length of time I'm gonna be out. Probably a couple hours easy. I had no idea how many miles because I have to keep stopping and filming, but we'll just see how the day goes. I mean, maybe it'll be just a short little video. I do want to stop and do a bag dump somewhere. We got the Hidden Woodsman haversack today, which is pretty full. So I'm probably gonna go over that. And then of course I got the carabiner I did a video on. You know, knife, fire starting, signaling, whistle, flashlight. Plus my everyday carry, which is on my person. Probably go over all that at some point. Yeah, let's get to it. I got a lot of trail to go do. So, hiked up to the water's edge here. Looks like we got a little beaver sign. I don't know, how many days do you think that is? 2, 3 maybe? I don't know about this morning. It feels pretty dry. Of course, I'm no expert, hence why I'm asking. That looks like it's got some time on it. That looks, see, to me that looks fresher than this. I don't know, what do you think? What if I could set my trail cam up? Because I hardly ever use my trail cam. Set my trail cam up, try to find a slide like this and see if I can catch some beavers on camera. That would be pretty cool. Alright, so that was the end of the Black Lagoon. So we're on the main line. So it goes a really long ways that way. And if you do a 360 or 180, excuse me, it goes all the way that way. Or
this way.
we have a trail called Old School. Huh. I'm thinking Old School because I'm old. So let's do it. Alright, so we have Old School, we have Plan B, which I think I'm gonna... Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to ponder it. There's a glove up there too, I see. Notice nobody ever leaves like multi-tools or knives. It's always just gloves or hats. Oh. Should probably hydrate a little bit. Wet Mr. Whistle. Doing alright so far. Oh yeah, I got some good news too. I forgot to share. Got my Nikon back. They just sent it to me without any word. It just showed up. The only problem I'm running into, turns on just fine. It seems to shoot video just fine. So we got the screen back. The problem I'm running into with my fingers over it. So the problem I'm running into is when I go to take a picture. Oh, well, when I go to take a photograph, well, it was blurring out, but now it's not. I guess the problem corrected itself. I had the autofocus on. Alright, well, I guess never mind. So I'll be using this a little bit from time to time today. Probably gonna carry it. I got the... I guess before I put it away, I guess I can show you. I got my tripod out with me, along with the camera, which is still recording. So, video inception. It's always best to bring a tripod. We're splicing those clips in. It's going to be a pain, but it's all right. You guys are worth it. Now, where is it? The reason I stopped, I was too busy goofing around. I needed to wet my whistle. All right. Popped out of its damn sheath. The reason I'm not wearing my Bushcraft Black is because it, you know, people see knife and they go, knife! Oh my god, knife! And it's the three numbers, beep beep beep. 111, how can we help you? Some guy's got a knife out here. Knife! I think we'll all take Plan B after all. Because why not? Let's get to it. Plan B should be, well, right behind me. Plan B!